What if I told you that you could passively make money while boosting your sales from anywhere and even earn while you sleep? Yes, that's exactly the concept behind affiliate marketing. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. This is Luna from Shoplazza, your e-commerce partner and business builder. In this video, I will walk you through how affiliate marketing works and how to set up an affiliate program for your online store. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay up to date on our helpful tutorials to grow your online business. Affiliate marketing is a form of advertising where publishers earn a commission each time they promote a retailer's product or service. The affiliate partner or marketer is rewarded with a payout after reaching a specific target laid down by the retailer. Typically, the result of affiliate marketing is sales. However, some models can reward marketers for free trial users, leads, clicks on the website, etc. It's usually easy and free to join affiliate programs, so you do not have to worry about high capital investment. It's a great business idea if done correctly. So understanding how affiliate marketing works will help you decide if you should try it. Affiliate marketing involves having someone recommend your products or services by sharing them on blogs, social media platform, podcast, or website. This person or affiliate partner will have a unique link connected to their recommendation, and they will earn a commission every time someone purchases through this link. So in order to make this work, 3 different parties must be involved. The first one is the seller, whether a solo entrepreneur or a large organization. The seller is a merchant/retailer with a product to sell. The product can be a physical product like a household good or service-based like an online course. Also known as the brand, the seller does not need to be actively involved in the marketing, but they may also be the advertiser and profit from the revenue sharing associated with the affiliate marketing. For example, the seller could be an e-commerce merchant that started a dropshipping business and wants to reach a new audience by paying affiliate sites to promote their products. The second one is the affiliate, which can be either an individual or a company that markets the seller's product in an appealing way to potential customers. In other words, the affiliate promotes the product by highlighting the value and benefits of it to entice customers to purchase it. If the consumer does end up buying the product, the affiliate receives a portion of the revenue made. So affiliates often have very specific audiences to whom they market, generally adhering to audience's interest. This creates a defined niche or personal brand that helps the affiliate attract consumers who will be most likely to act on the promotion. So of course, for the affiliate system to work, there needs to be sales, and the customer is the one who makes them happen. The affiliate will market the products/services to potential customers through the necessary channels, whether via blog, social media platform, podcast, etc. And if their audience deems the product as valuable or beneficial to them, then they can follow the affiliate link and check out on the merchant's website. If the customer does purchase the item, then the affiliate receives a portion of the revenue made. Affiliates always carry a bit of mystery as well, so you never know if the person has really used the product or if they're just promoting it for the money. This is why in 2009, renowned affiliate marketer Pat Flynn categorized affiliate marketing into 3 types to help differentiate between affiliate marketers who are closely tied to a product versus those who are not. The first one is unattached affiliate marketing. In this model, the affiliate marketer has no connection to the product or service that they're promoting. They have no expertise or authority in the niche of the product, nor can they really make claims, if you will, about this use. And typically, they will run pay-per-click marketing campaigns and use an affiliate link in the hopes that shoppers will essentially click and make a purchase on their own. It's generally for those who simply want to generate an income without investing in the product or customer relationship. The second one is related affiliate marketing. These affiliates don't necessarily use the product or service, but they are somehow related to the niche audience. These affiliates often have some sort of influence in the niche and an established following, and can therefore offer some authority. For example, perhaps you're promoting a clothing brand you've never used before, but you have an audience through a fashion blog or YouTube channel. In this case, you would be considered a related affiliate marketer. The advantage of this type of affiliate marketing is that the affiliate has the expertise to generate traffic. However, they may risk recommending a bad product or service if they've never actually used it before, potentially costing them the trust of their audience. The third one is involved affiliate marketing. These affiliates are closely tied to the product or service they're promoting. They've tried the product themselves, so they have the authority to make claims, and they know their audience can benefit from this product. Rather than relying on pay-per-click, involved affiliate marketers use their personal experience with the product in their marketing efforts, and customers can trust them as reliable sources of information. So how to set up an affiliate program for your online store? Here's a step-by-step you can follow to get started. The first step to setting up your affiliate program is to select products to promote. And although you can select all your products, it's really best to pick the ones with high order rates to increase your chances of clicks and purchase. Inform the affiliate about the product they should promote and give a few promotional tips like offer buy more, save more discount, or offer first-time buyers a discount, or offer free shipping on orders above $50. Offering tips enables the affiliate to sell more. And of course, it also increases sales and revenue for you. The second step is to determine your affiliate commission structure. Deciding how much to pay your affiliate is a crucial step in creating your program. In this case, analyzing your competition will come into play. Doing a competitive analysis will help you know the structure of the competition and create something more appealing. You need to answer questions like, will you pay in cash or with in-store credit? What percentage of the product or service cost will you pay to affiliates? You may also consider giving top affiliates bonuses for meeting predefined goals. This will attract more affiliates to your program. If you want to stay competitive in the ever-dynamic market, you also need to consider your own needs. Step 3, choose an affiliate management network. After finishing all the preparation work, it's time to build up your affiliate management network and manage them on one platform, such as Shoplazza. Shoplazza has built-in affiliate marketing apps to help you create, track, and manage your affiliate marketing program. You can also synchronize your products and sales information from your Shoplazza store, which is more efficient to grow your online business. If you're looking to get more traffic on your e-commerce website, make sure to click the link in the description box to get your free trial. So now step 4. Step 4 is to hire your affiliates. Hiring the right affiliates to market your products or services is the next step. There are a few ways to invite affiliates. You can promote your program on social media, affiliate sites, and even on your website. And also inviting influencers and bloggers to become your affiliates is worth a try. If you have a list of emails, you can try email marketing and send them a specific email asking them to be your affiliates. The last step is to manage your affiliates. Constant communication is essential to building a strong affiliate program. After recruiting your affiliates, you need to monitor them and keep tabs on their performance and activity. Ensure the affiliates understand the program and know everything about your brand. You can also give meaningful content they can use, like webinars, tutorials, a list of hashtags to keep them on the same page, and pre-written social posts. So here's your beginner guide for starting an affiliate marketing offer. We've covered a lot today, so if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in our comments below. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. We release videos every single week to help you grow your online business, so make sure to hit that bell so you'll be notified when there's new content coming out. I'm Luna, and I can't wait to chat with you in our next video. Bye guys.